So here are the Pennant Directions from class. It says pick a line halfway between the two holes. Now, the piece of paper I have, I'm just going to pick halfway in between. Draw a vertical line and label the axis the Y. Then count 20 lines down and draw the horizontal line. Okay, so I'm going to look at this. Let's see. And halfway in between, let's see, I go over 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. So halfway in between is going to be about right here. So I'm going to draw a line. Oh, you know what? I'm going to undo that because I actually wanted a little thicker. There we go. And I'm going to try it again. Okay? And I'm going to call that the y-axis. Oh, I guess I have 2 of those there. Okay. So then it says, so I need to name that the y-axis. Okay, then it says count 20 lines down. So I'm going to count 20 lines down. So I'm going to go ahead, and as I do that, I'm going to put 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so then that means that this line, as I go across, oops, come on, why isn't it all working? There we go. As I go across is going to be my x-axis, and I really should have arrows on this. Okay, so then it says draw a horizontal line and name it the x-axis. I did that. And then we're going to plot our points. Now before I plot my points, I'm actually going to do this. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. -1, -2, 3. Sometimes I just skip every other one. 7, number 8, 9, -10, -11, -12. And it is a good thing that I have extras down here because I'm going to need those. So -1, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. And yes, I need to extend this. There we go. -9, -10, 11, -12. I know it's a new sheet, but there should be a line like right here. -13, -14, -15, -16, -17, -18, -19, and -20. So there we have it. So then I need to plot the point 11, 17. So remember, okay, it has 2 positive numbers. So positive numbers are going to be in the first quadrant. Remember that the first number is x, the second number is y. If I have a positive number, I go to the right. If I have a positive y, I go up. So 11 to the right, and 17 up. So here's 11 to the right. Right here is 11 to the right. So I came from here and I came all the way over here. Now, I'm going to go up 17. And if you notice, I've already put the numbers. So I'm going to go up 17. So I'm not drawing those lines, by the way. I'm getting rid of those. So 17, that would give me a point right here. And I label my point. 11, 17. Okay, so now this other stuff, I'm getting rid of that because that's not actually a part of what we're doing right now. There we go. Okay, so we got 1 point down. So then I have 11, negative 4. So if I'm talking about y being negative, I'm going in the bottom, I'm going down. So I go 11, negative 4. So again, I've gone to the right 11, all the way to here, and then I'm going down negative 4. So that'll give me this point right here. And 11, negative 4. So I plot that point. Then I have the point 0, negative 12. So right and left, I don't go anywhere because it's 0. But it says I'm going to go down to negative 12. So that's this point right here. And that's the point 0, negative 12. Okay, so then the next one says negative 11, negative 4. Remember the first number, when it's negative, you go to the left. So I'm going to go to the left 11 and I'm going to go down 4. So I'm going to start here at the origin. I'm going to go to the left to 11 right there, and I'm going to go down 4. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to put a point and I'm going to name it negative 11, negative 4. Okay, I don't need this line or that. Then I have the points negative 11, 17. So I guess I should have left that line. So I'm going to come over here to negative 11, and then it's up to 17, all the way up to 17, all the way up to 17. So I'm going to pop my point here, and I'm going to say negative 11, 17, but then get rid of these lines. There we go. Okay, so I plotted those points. Now connect the points in the order using a ruler. Okay, so now I'm going to connect these points. Maybe, can I make it smaller? Come on. There we go. So I'm going to connect these points. Undo. Helps if you actually use the pen. Okay, that. And then I need to connect from here to here. And from here to here. From here to here. And you'll be using a ruler, so yours won't look as bad as mine. There we go. So I connected the dots. So that's my pennant. That is my pennant. Then it says initial. We're going to make our first initial. So my first initial is K. Okay? So the initial must be at least 14 squares wide. So from here to here, it needs to be 14. And from here to here, it needs to be 13. Oh, this is block lettering. So that's not what it's going to have to be. There we go. Label the points. So I'm going to have to label my points. Then color it, write your name on the front of the pennant, and cut out the pennant. Now, mine doesn't have the holes. Yours will have the holes. So I need to make it at least 13 tall. So if I start my K right here, I can go 13. That would take me to right here. But I want mine to be longer. So I'm not going to do it at those points. I'm going to do mine at here. That's 13. Oh no. Again, I want to make it. Oh, it doesn't matter. I can put it there and I can put it right here. So I'm going to label my points. So this is -9 and it went down -3. Then this point is the point -9 and 15. So then I have to come and I'm going to come over here. No, I'm going to go longer. I'm going to go over to here. And I'm going to bring it down about there. Let me see. Okay, so then I would bring this over and I'm going to bring it up a little bit. And then I have to have a 14 across. So that's giving me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across. So I need it to go over to 8 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's going to look horrible. So we're going to make this a little bit longer. I'll make it come all the way over here. So that's 9. So that means now I just need 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has to get to at least there. Maybe I lied. Maybe I like that. Okay. I'm going to bring it here. Oh, maybe I'll bring it. Nope, that looks silly. So I'm just guesstimating, just like you would be guesstimating, about where I want it to go to. There we go. So I'm going to say I'm going to have it to here. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to have it come here. Let's see. Here. Here. And across. And actually I'm going to redo that line so that that's horrible. Whatever. Then I'm going to come and I'm going to bring it right here. Oh, that's kind of ugly looking. Maybe I'll just bring it to here. There we go. I like that better. And then I'm just going to label my points. So this point, I went over 3 in the negative direction. I went up 15. This one, I went over to 2, up to 15. I went to 5 and 15. This point right here is 0, 7. This is 5, negative 3. This is 2, negative 3. This is negative 3, negative 3. This is negative 3, 6. This is negative 3, 9. What point am I missing? I think I have all the points. So now you would just color it in. Make it fun and exciting. I don't know. Sorry about that. Now, I should have done a better job of making it, but that's kind of what it should look like. Then you'll cut out on the outside. So you're going to then cut this line. Oh, I should do a different color. Cut here. Okay, and yours should have 2 little holes right here so that we're able to hang this on the wall. Okay. And then you write your full name. On the front of your pennant.